Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? My name is Shraddha Singh. So today we are going to learn about some video sensing what is this project all about? Here we have a two car. If you will see, we have a red car, we have a blue car. So once we will run this project, what will happen? Red car will move automatically, and for blue car we have to give some motion. Based on that, our hand motion, the blue car will move. Okay, this is project all about. So what I will do first, I will run this project. As you can see, it is saying welcome to. You can move the blue car by moving your hand over it and restart the race by hitting. So let's start this. What will happen now? Your camera will show. See, this red car is moving. Okay, so what I will do, I will refresh this project one more time. Now, after this, again, we will run this. So, welcome to the race of. You can move the blue car now and restart the race by hitting the space bar. So, we have to hit the space bar. Now, see, if you will take your hand motion, your car will move. See, you have to take a motion, your hand motion. So this is following your hand motion, and you can also see me, right? Again, I will run this. I will show you. See, we have to just press our space bar. So the game will start, and after that, we camera will open. We need to just give our hand motion. Okay. So once you will give the hand motion, your car will move. So this is project all about. Okay. So how we will create this project, that I will explain you. So the very first thing, you have to add one backdrop. Instead of this backdrop, even if you want to add any other backdrops also, you can add that. Okay. So it's best I will take a new project. I will explain you the entire thing. We need to just click on file new. It will start one new project for us, as you can see. And how you will get this video. Okay, how you will get this video, and how we will start our scratch, that we will see. So first thing, always you need to just click on this extension. You have to click on video sensing. So your video part will add here, as you can see. So this is our video sensing part. You need to just click on this extension. Instead of car race, if we want to add any other thing, even we can add that. So first thing, we want to add one sprite. So which sprite you want, according to your choice, you can add. Suppose I want to add simple blue sky, so you will get this blue sky here. After that, we have to add some sprites. So which sprite you want, according to your choice, you have to add your sprite. You want any girl, or you want boy, or you want any other sprite. Suppose I want bear walking, so you will get. Instead of cat, I will delete the cat. I will add the other one. So once you will scroll down, suppose I want this dinosaur, you will get. So as you can see, we have a two thing here. We have our backdrop and we have our first sprite. Okay. So now what we will do, we have to start our coding part. So here what logic we will apply. Suppose dinosaur will move automatically, and for the beer we have to add our video part. Like, it will first say something, and based on your hand motion it will move. Okay. So how we will add the dinosaur? So as you can see, we added the dinosaur. Now we will start the coding part. So always we have to start from the event, like when flag is clicked. What position you want for dinosaur? We want dinosaur will start from here, this one. In the x we have minus 175. In the y we have minus 183, right? So we need to go to the motion. We will add this part. So this is the position of dinosaur. Okay. After that, what we want here, which space bar is pressed. Okay. So where we will get again in the event when space key is pressed. What will happen? We have to go to one position. Okay. So again we want the same position here. So we need to just go to the motion, go to this position. It means when flag is clicked, we want to go to that particular position, and if we will click on the space bar, so again we have to go to that particular position. So this is the first logic for a dinosaur. Okay. After that, what we want, like once we will receive some message, when I will receive this message one here in the forever. So we need to go to the control. We have to add this. Forever means if you want anything again and again continuously, for that we are taking the forever. So we have to go to the motion. We will take this move 10 step here. And suppose we want to wait for some second, so we can just wait, so that we will get inside our wait. Instead of 1, we can just wait for just 0.1 second, or if you want you can wait for just 0.2 second also. Okay. Now see, if I will run, what will happen? Nothing, because first we have to broadcast. Once you will broadcast, then only see, first you have to broadcast. Okay. And once you will receive the broadcast, then only that forever will happen. So now in the beer walking we will first broadcast. So this is the entire part for your dinosaur. Okay, like when flag is clicked, we want this position. When space bar is pressed, again we want that position, and when we will receive the message one, we just want to move our dinosaur. Okay. Now let's see bear walking. So you can just say about something bear walking. For bear walking, what we want, again we want first thing when space bar is clicked. So we need to just go to the event when space bar is clicked. So for bear, what you want? Suppose we want this position, and first, as you can see, the size is very big, so we can make it little bit small. So in the size we want 50. And for dinosaur also, we can make a size 80. Perfect. So for bear walking, when space bar is clicked, we want this position. Means in X, we want minus 181. This is for Y. We need to just go to the motion. We will take this. This is the first part. After that, what will happen when flag is clicked? Again, we have to go to this position, and then we want to start our, initially we want turn off the video. So where you will get in the video, so where you have your turn off, see, instead of on we will make it off. So you have your video off. Initially your video will off. After that, after some time, it will turn on your video. After that, when flag is clicked, we want to see something like a hello, welcome, like this. Instead of hello, we can write welcome to the race. After that, we can add one more, say what we can. So here we can write, you can press the space bar. Okay. After that, whatever you want, you can add here. After that, we need to just go to the event. We will first broadcast message one. Now, if you will run, welcome to the race. You have to press this. See, this dinosaur is moving. So as you can see, we turn off the video, right? Now we have to turn on the video. How you will turn on that? When we will receive this message one, then we have to turn on the video. Means after saying this, we want to turn on the video. And this also we want forever means continuously. So we have to add our forever. After that, what we want here? We want to check the if condition. If inside the if, what we have to add? If your motion is greater than suppose 20. So for this, we have to go to the operator. We will add this. Okay. Here, instead of 50, we can add a motion 20. And if your video motion on sprite, we need to go here. We have to take this. Okay. If this is the greater than 20, then we have to move this. Okay. That's it. After that, now what I will do, see, as you can see, the dinosaur is here. Okay. But when I click on the flag, again you will get your dinosaur here. You can press the space bar, your video. So see, you have to just give, see, your bear is walking. Okay. So it is following your hand motion. See, welcome to the race. You can press the space bar. See, it is following your hand motion. Okay. So like this, see, so like this, we can create lots of things. Okay. Okay. So like this, we can create any other video sensing us. So you need to first add your extension. You have to add your sprite. Okay. And then you have to add your one backdrop. And after that, you have to start the coding. Initially, you have to turn off your video. After some time, once it will receive any message, we have to turn on the video. So this is our dinosaur part and this is our bear walking part. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much. Have a great day. I will give you the link in the description box. You can check that and you have to also perform this. Okay. So thank you so much. Bye. Take care.